In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Binance Convert to swap one crypto asset for another. This method is actually much simpler than using traditional spot trading, and I'll guide you through each step so that you can easily make these conversions on your own. Let's start with an overview of what Binance Convert is. Essentially, it's a feature within Binance that allows you to directly convert one cryptocurrency into another, or even into fiat currency, with just a few clicks. Unlike spot trading, there's no need to deal with order books or complex charts. It's aimed at providing a streamlined experience. There are two primary types of orders you can use within Binance Convert: a market order and a limit order. A market order allows you to convert your crypto immediately at the current market rate, which is perfect if you're looking to make a quick exchange. On the other hand, a limit order is a bit more strategic, letting you set a specific price at which you want the conversion to happen. The conversion will only occur if the market reaches your desired price. Now that we've covered the basics, let's dive into how to actually convert crypto using Binance Convert on your web or desktop. You'll first want to log into your Binance account. Once you're in, navigate to the top menu where you'll see Trade. From there, select Convert and Block Trade. This will lead you to the Convert interface. Within this Convert section, you're going to choose which cryptocurrency or token you want to convert from, and then select the coin or token that you wish to convert to. Here, you have the option to choose between a market order, which will execute the conversion immediately, or a limit order, where you set the price and possibly the duration of the order. Next, you need to enter the amount of the cryptocurrency you wish to convert. This is the amount of your from crypto. Once you have input the amount, click on Preview Conversion. This is an important step as it allows you to see how much of the two cryptocurrency you'll actually receive. Keep in mind that the quote provided is valid only for a short time, as market conditions can change rapidly. If you're satisfied with the quote, go ahead and click Convert if you're placing a market order, or Place Order if you're using a limit order to complete the process. Once the conversion is done, the resulting cryptocurrency will appear in your wallet. Typically, it will show up in either your spot or funding wallet, depending on your settings. And that's it. You now know how to use Binance Convert to easily swap one crypto asset for another. This is a straightforward and efficient way to handle your crypto conversions without getting involved in the more complex aspects of trading. Thank you for watching, and happy converting.